US, Germany, and UK indices traded with little swings. Yesterday, we have seen a dip and then a sharper recovery with the US session. Yes, the US indices closed higher here. What to expect today? Big day today for indices. We have not much of data coming in. First from Britain, Europe, and then US. Which direction it's going to take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow, the Germany 40 and FTSE 100. We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Watch, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with the Germany 40 and Indian UK 100. Watch till the S&P on the hourly charts have moved close to 5880 and has retraced since then, and it is right now trading bearish. We have to wait for it to now again trade beyond 5864, 5860 and 5880 zone. This is the most critical zone which S&P need to break, and then it will confirm the complete V-shaped recovery towards 5920. The data might trigger this, but right now I can see this trading with slight bearishness here. Though on the downside, 5840, 5800 is providing a very good support here. See, the moving average is almost flat. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So indices indicators running flat here for now. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at, see, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. Right now trading this bearish, and just let it break beyond 586064 levels and then 5880. If these two levels are taken, certainly it's a reversal and a rally could be expected here. Also notice what is happening. Just connect the dots and just connect the highs. You can find out it is trading in this channel. Thus it is again very critical for the S&P to trade below 5820. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, lower highs are seen, and you can see a breakout here beyond 5860. Certainly more bullishness, and then 5880 it needs to break. Indicators are still rising and are comfortable with further bullishness. On the 4 hour charts also, if you look at, see, it is posted a reversal sign, couple of strong dips, and then a recovery. Now wait for a breakout. A breakout here can lead to stronger rise, but right now it is not supportive of same. Only good observation here is the higher lows and the retracement channel in which it is trading, and thus 5820, 5800 is going to be the zone which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see, after stronger bullish candle first trading session, we have seen higher lows, higher highs, and today's candle could be again bullish. This could become the reversal sign, and today's candle might again stay bullish, where it can move towards 590, 5920. But for this to happen, we have to wait for it to first trade above 5860 and then 5880. If these two levels are taken, chances will be very high that we are looking forward to 5900, 5920 zone. See, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace, but as long as it stays below 5880, 5920 levels, you have to be careful. It can again reverse and drop. Swings cannot be stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it staying above 5860. Expect 587072 and 588085 as the second target. Beyond this, 5900, 5920 should be easily achievable. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 5838. Expect 5830, 5820. And if 5820 is taken, I will look forward to 5808 and 5800. Any drop below 5800, just close your eyes, stay short. 5780, 5750 and 5700 should be there very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Notice on the daily charts, S&P is crossed over for sell, but right now it is forming swing, so this could be another swing candle today. Let's move to Nasdaq Tech 100, finding it difficult to break beyond 2800, 2840 zone, which should be a good resistance zone. Any move beyond 2800 or 840 should be a good sign that we are looking forward to 2900 and 2950 levels here. Let's have a further look. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is flat. On the 2 hour charts also, if you see, 20 period moving average is providing it a little resistance, and thus once it stays about 20 period moving average, which means it has to stay about 2800, 840, 850 zone, and if these two levels are taken, you can treat this for a reversal. Notice on the downside what it is doing. It is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. So wait for a breakout which will confirm the reversal here. Indicators are rising and are supportive of further bullishness. On the 3 hour, the observation remains same. Only thing is, it needs to break beyond these highs, and specifically beyond 28, 48, 50 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance zone. So yes, you can buy 2800, but this has to be with caution. This has to be with a rider that We know that Nasdaq 100 has to trade beyond 2848.50. Beyond that only we can treat this as bullish here. Beyond this you can expect 2900, 950, 2980, and then in fact it can break beyond 21,100, 200 zone as well. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI is also rising. Signs are still supportive for further bullishness. Look at the 4-hour chart, see lower highs, bearishness here. 20 period moving average, see none of the candles closed above 20 period moving average, and the moving average is trading with divergence and bearishness. What is happening here? It is delivering lower highs and lower lows. So I'll still wait. I'll still wait on the daily chart for it to trade beyond 21,000 and then towards 21,200. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can say that the bulls are taking charge here. Yes, the indicators are starting to rise and are supportive of further bullishness. Coming to daily, and before we look at daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at Tech 100. See, first of all, last two candles with higher lows, higher highs, and you can see this could be the reversal sign, but I can see a bit of hesitance hesitation here by Tech 100 to trade bull, and thus it is very important for Tech 100 to first trade about 2800, then 848.50. These two levels are taken. Chances will be high that today we may see it moving towards 21,000, and if 21,000, 21,020 is taken, we can look forward to 21,100 and 200 zone, and this could be a complete reversal. Else what is happening? It is delivering higher lows, higher highs, and now a drop below 2767.40. A drop below 2767.40 should take it again towards 2700, 2660, and 2600 levels. And any drop below 2600 is a sign of a massive correction where the prices are going to trade towards 20,400 levels directly. Yes, though the indicators are still supportive of price, but I can see just respect the levels. The swings cannot be denied. Bullishness is only and only if it trades above 2840 and then 21,000 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish for the day, for the week. We are 21,200 cannot be denied here. While on the downside, we have to be still cautious, still towards 20,600. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See, US30 after a good rise, it is trying to retrace what it has done. Rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. Now, see, this is the noise here, and if you ignore the noise, what you can see is US30 trading in this zone where the support level still towards 42, 470, 450 should be very strong, and thus we have to wait for it to trade below 42, 470, 450 in order to confirm further bearishness. Below this 42, 360 and 300 levels will appear, and it is to be treated bearish only and only if it trades below 42, 300 levels. Yes, indicators have cooled down. The MACD trying to cross over for sell. RSI has dropped significantly as well. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, a flat top first bearish candle, second in making, possibility of a move towards 42, 470, 450, and now see the moving average is crossing over here, which makes 42, 400, 360 also as the next support level. And that is why I say till 42, 300, do not treat US30 as bearish. Below 42, 300, it is not going to come back. Also notice this is the V-shaped recovery which US30 has shown, and it is reversing from these levels 42, 600. Also notice on the upside 42, 600, 650 is going to remain a greater resistance for US30 to break beyond. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI trying to take a dip. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, first red candle. I'll wait for the next one here, and thus if you see it is staying below 42, 500, you can sell. But then 42, 470, 450 is the first, 42, 400 is the next, 42, 360 and 300 is the fourth. Only below 42, 300 it is bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is more or less same, and when you look at the daily, see on the daily charts it is shown to pullbacks and come towards the resistance here. Very important for USD to break beyond 600, 650 zone, else forming the top. It is trying to reverse. Specifically, any drop below 42, 300 should be an indication of further bearishness today, while any breakout beyond 42, 600, 650 should be an indication towards a move for 42, 800, 42, 950 and 43,050. Indicators are still for a buy. RSI is also rising and stochastic is also rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 42, 600 level. Expect a move towards 42, 650 and then towards 42, 800, 42, 900, 920 and then 43,000 levels are possible. Beyond 43,000, sky is the limit towards 43,200. On the downside, a selling entry at 42,500. We know that for till 42,300 you have to be below 42,300. It is going to deliver a massive correction towards 42,200 and 42,000 levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.